Watch this video and learn how to draw Mike Wazowski from Monsteers Inc. Later in the video, Barry Tone has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ooh, are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, gang. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No, I don't want to do a drawing today. No art today.
What?
No.
But are you sure?
Yeah, Artie was just joking. Let's make art.
Oh, Artie, you're naughty.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
What are we going to draw, Artie?
Oh, I don't really know what I want to draw.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Why don't we draw Mike Wazowski from Monsteers Inc?
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Well, normally, Artie, we start by drawing two eyes, but on this drawing, we're just going to draw one really big eye, because Mike Wazowski only has one eye. So let's draw a really large circle right in the middle of the page. You know, this reminds me of a big, round pancake.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Me and Artie really like pancakes, don't we, Artie?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect job, Artie. Well done. Now let's draw an eyelid right across the top. A big curve going up, and then continue the curve coming back down again. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Now we're going to draw another circle inside of the first one. This one's much smaller. And then draw another circle inside of this one. That's it. And then let's shade the first one in black. But remember to leave that little circle white. Good job, Artie. Now we're going to draw another circle around that one. Gosh, there's a lot of circles in this drawing, isn't there?
Yeah.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure.
Oh,
Wow. Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie.
thank you.
Good job. Stay positive. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, Bunny is so cute, isn't she, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, that's Mike's one eye finished. Now let's draw some little horns. Mike Wazowski has horns. One on the left side, that's it, and then one on the right side. I suppose Mike's a monster because he is in Monsteers Inc, but he's a very, very friendly monster.
Oh, I think we should stop and have a dance break.
You want a dance break right now?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose we could.
yeah, dance break. Dance break, dance break.
Come on, little artists! Let's all dance!
judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Barry did very well.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Well, should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah,
Come on then.
okay.
Let's draw the top of Mike's head in between the horns. A nice big half circle shape going all the way across the top and back down again to the right horn. Mike's body is a sort of tear shape or pear shape. So let's draw a nice big curve on the left side, and then on the right side come down from the side of the horn all the way round and join those two lines together at the bottom, and now we have Mike's body. Keep watching because Artie's about to have a potty break. Now let's draw a really big smile-shaped curve going right the way across underneath Mike's eye. And then below that, we're going to draw an even bigger curve. First of all, start on the left, go underneath, and then curve back up to the right side. And now Mike has a nice big smiling mouth. I guess we should give him some teeth.
Hi. Painty! Oh no, Painty! Not now! Not now!
Very funny.
Oh, Barry, it's not funny. I've got to clean up this yellow paint that's everywhere. Oh, Artie, that's good, yes. Add the teeth. You add the teeth and I'll clean up the paint. That's it. Very good, Artie. Just giving the last few bits. Oh, that's right. Add some top teeth. Oh, okay, I think I got it all. That painty's a little rascal.
Oh, Artie think you need potty break.
You need a potty break right now?
Yeah, potty break.
Okay, go on then.
Okay, thank you. Oh, potty break. Okay, Artie went potty.
You feel better? Well, let's finish the drawing. Let's draw Mike's right leg. A nice bendy shaped leg, and then a big foot on the end. And let's add some toes as well. Don't forget the toes. That's it. Now let's do the same on the left and give him a left leg. Don't forget his toes, Artie.
That looks amazing.
So incredible!
Let's give him a right arm. First of all the arm, then the elbow, and then the hand on the end. Very nice. Should we do his left arm now? Oh, I love how you drew his thumb, Artie. Now the fingers. Yes, that's a really good hand. Continue down. Don't forget his elbow. That's it.
It's finished!
Are you done, Artie? It looks great.
Yeah.
So good.
Can I color it in now, please?
Of course you can.
Okay.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, he came out really good.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
I'd say very good.
Yeah, Artie's very proud.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
Have fun. See you next time.
Well, little artists, that's the end of the show. I hope you have an arty day. And I love you very much. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Wow!